Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 66 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. So currently we are working on a seller panel. So in the previous video we have seen that how we can implement the login logout functionality, right? So now in this video we will work on the add product section, right? So we are in the vendor panel, right? So now we will work on the add product. So you can go to add product from this product list button. This is a demo list, right? And if we need, then we will do the design implementation down the road. And then we have a add product section. So we will modify this because we have modified the model. So let's see the model first. So here we have a model category vendor. So vendor is current logged in user, and this is the category. And then we have a title. So title is here. Slug is for we will use for the URL. So we will add the field. Then detail is a description, and then price here. And we also need the USD price, so that when we change this, it should change the price like we are doing at home. So when we click on the INR, it will change to INR, right? So time to time vendor will update the price. Tags, so it will help to search the products. Image, this is a featured image. Demo URL, so this e-commerce is like a digital product like themeforest.net or something. So and product file, so this is product file, so like a script or zip file. Okay. Downloads, so we no need to no need to create any field here, because it's a automate counting when we click on the download in the user from the customer panel, right? So first of all, we need to change the we need to implement few fields. So let's try to do that. So here we have a seller, add product. First of all, let's remove this, right? Add product, we have this. So let's define name equal to category, right? And then we will say on change we will say input handler, right? And we will define the value, sorry, value equal to Python, PHP, JavaScript, PHP, JavaScript, right? And then we have here, we need to define the name equal to title, and oh, we don't need to define the name in the label. Actually, this category should be come from the database, because we have a model for the categories, product categories. We will fetch that. Okay, so we have here name, let's say value equal to, we need to create the state. So we will say here, let's import use state, right? And first of all, we'll create constant, we'll say product data, set product data equal to use state, and what are the values, title, right? And then we have first of all category, right? So category, let's see the model one more time. Okay, fine. So category, title, category vendor, title, slug, and detail, price, and then USD price, and then tags, sorry. So then we have tags, USD, after USD price we have tags, then image, then demo URL, then product file. Okay, it's enough now. Okay, so what it is saying, okay, it's saying that value should be something. Okay, so value is product dot data dot title, right? Okay, so now define for everyone. This is price. What is the value? Price. Okay, fine. We also need to do USD price. This is INR price, this is USD price, so we'll say USD, right? So USD, and what else we have? Okay, after the title we also need the slug, so this should be slug, right? Okay, no need for, okay, let's define the IDs also if we have given. So we'll say INR price, USD price, right? Okay, what else we have? We have slug, we have detail, slug, detail. So we need to define the name and value. This should be detail, and this is also detail. Detail price, vendor, okay, detail. And what else? Let's say featured image, featured image, and it will be a simple file, so we'll say name image, right? And okay, we don't need to set the value. Okay, detail, what after detail? Oh, we also need tags, so we'll copy this one, feature tags. Okay, so we have tags, IDs, tags. Okay, let's make it detail, name, detail, tags, tags, tags. All right, it will be button, right? And what else? Demo URL, we also need the demo URL. So what I will do, I will copy, remove this, I will copy this one, and I will say demo URL. So demo URL, demo URL, demo URL. Okay, and we'll name it the ID, right? So we have demo URL. Okay, so what else we have? Tags, detail, USD price, USD price. Let's standardize these all fields, so it will be easy and it will add in our best practice array, right? All right, so we have tags, demo URL. What else we need? Category, vendor, titles, so detail, everything is okay. All right, so input handler is not defined, correct, right? So let's define the input handler. So constant input handler equal to this one, right? So this is the array function, sorry, arrow function, not array function, arrow function event, right? So input handler, and we'll use everywhere except the image. Sorry, here featured image no need, tags we need, demo URL we need. We also need one more thing, product file, product file, right? So we'll say here product file, and this is product file, product file, right? Okay, so we have tags. Okay, in the tags we need input handler. Where is that? Okay, here. Okay, detail. In the tag we also have. All right, so category, title, slug, INR price, USD price, detail, featured image. Actually, let's move the tags before the images. All right, so tags, featured image, product file, demo URL. Let's move the demo URL even after this one. Okay, all right, so little bit lengthy form, but it's okay. Now what we will do, we will create a one more handler, file handler, right? So we'll say file handler, and we'll copy this one, and we'll paste here. We'll say file handler, right? And what we have, this one, image product file. Okay, image and product file, right? So now event. Okay, so product file image. All right, so what we have now, so set this one. We will use the spread operator to update the data, right? So we'll say event dot target dot name, it will be the key, equal to sorry, event dot target dot value, right? So it will update the data. Now we'll do the same thing for the this one, but in this just a little difference, files 0, right? So we will fetch the files, right? So file handler, so image and product file. Okay, so now let's console the product data and let's see what it is giving us. Okay, so I think we have settled everything, except we will fetch here the categories, right? So let's test it. Okay, go to net, no need for network tab because we are not requesting any HTTP request. So let's go to this one, then let's say title, okay, title, slug is okay, then price, USD price, INR price is like 80, USD is 1. All right, detail is something, tag is 1, tag 2, demo URL is something, it should not be a number, demo URL, so it should be text. or it should be URL actually, right? So we'll copy here, paste here. Okay, everything it is showing now, except the image and the product file and the vendor. And if we select the product file, let's say product file, pictures, pictures. Let's go to document, images. I don't have images. Desktop, images. Let's see this one. And what we have now? Okay, we have files. Sorry, file. And then we have one file for, let's say this one. Okay, so I think we have everything, product file and image file also, right? All right, so what we need now? Okay, so and we also need the vendor. Okay, we need vendor. So how we can get the vendor? From the local storage, right? So when we seller login, so we can get the vendor, right? So vendor ID, get item vendor ID. So add product, check here, constant vendor ID equal to get vendor ID, right? And then we will send the, sorry, vendor. All right, so now we should have all the data. Okay, all right, so if we put here, it's running. Oh no, vendor get local item seller login vendor id, it should return the vendor id. Not sure why this is not returning. Vendor id. Okay, let's console the, let's console. Okay, let's see what we have in a local storage. So we have in storage, local storage, this one, vendor id we have already. It should get the vendor id. Why this is not showing here? Mm, vendor id. Maybe we should get item vendor id. Okay, vendor id we are passing here. Let's create the input type hidden field and pass that id. Input type hidden, name vendor, value. No need for this one, we just copy this. Actually we are not going to change this, so no need for hidden field. It should pass the vendor id, but why this is not passing here? Vendor, okay, I got it. We have a way to do that. let's empty this one. And what I will do, I will set the product data here, vendor ID. How about this? No. It's only showing the vendor. But why this is not showing the vendor? It should show. Okay, let's see that why this is not showing. Input handler. Okay, let's see. But at least we have all the data. We need to fetch the categories. Okay, so what we will do, we will fetch the categories. Okay, let's fetch the data of the categories, and then we will map it in the categories, right? So let's add the base URL first. This is our base URL, right? And then we need the fetch the data. So orders, we need to fetch the data. So categories. Okay, so here we have fetch data. Actually, let's copy the use effect. So what we have here, so what is the URL for the categories? Categories. No, okay, fetch data categories, set order items. At least we will constant category data, set category data equal to use state, use state empty array, let's say, right? And we'll set the category data, but let's fetch. Okay, let's see what it's returning, then we'll see that use effect is not defined. You are correct, so we'll say use effect. All right, now let's go to network tab. What it is returning here, it should be categories result. Okay, we have Python categories. I think we have only one category. Let's go to where is categories. All right, so we have only one category. Correct. Then let's what we have, category data. Let's map this data dot map and we have options, right? And in the option we have item index. So what we will do, item dot title. What is the name? Title. Okay, item dot title, then item dot, yes, you're correct, I. Okay, now let's go to dashboard, add product, right? So we have only one category, so no need to do that anything. So title slug inner price 20, and then we have tags, demo URL, console, featured image. We are not printing the data. Okay, then we have, okay, when we submit this, then we have to do something, huh? Okay, so we'll say constant submit handler. Yes, I know that this is the issue. And then we have console dot product data. No, yes, right. Then we have submit handler here. Yep, here. So on click submit handler, right? So here, not sure the on click is showing or not, but I think it should show. So submit. Okay, everything is here. We don't have product file. Okay, we don't have a vendor. Not sure why this vendor is so. Okay, we can do one thing. I have an idea. We can do one thing. All right, so we'll say vendor ID. Now it should update the data. I think it should update the data. No, it's not updating the data. Let's do one more thing, one more try. Let's do in the use effect. All right, all right. Okay, now we have a vendor ID. Okay, so now we are ready to submit this. Okay, so on which URL we will submit this? We will submit this on products URL, right, with the post method. Okay, so let's start to do that. For that, I will use one of our controllers so that we can copy the XCOs, we can copy the form data. So we can do customer, or we can do seller register page. Okay, so we'll use the XCOs. Here we have, and then we'll use the form, right? Here we have the form. So submit handler, it will handle the submission. XCOs will copy all of the things here. Okay, apart from this, we need to add here one more thing for updating the for sending the multi-type form data. We need to add header here, right? So form data, this one, okay, correct. So sorry, let's do that this way. Okay, so headers content multiple type form data post will post on, what is the URL, products. Okay, form data. Now in the form data we'll submit everything. So from vendor to product data. All right, so how many fields we have? Let's see. So vendor, no need here. I'll copy this one here. Okay, so vendor category, already we have them. Oh, what is that? No need for this one. let's when oh, we have category vendor. Okay, it was confusing. Okay, so category, we have category title slug. Okay, detail price USD price tags image demo URL. One more thing we need to do, product file. Okay, so vendor category title slug detail. We also need detail. One more thing, uh, we should also have a price, normal price. Okay, so vendor category title slug detail price USD price tags image demo URL product file. Everything is correct. Now we need to send this data to this URL, and then we will set this uh, okay, let's copy this one and paste it here, and let's say set product data, right? We also need set error message, so we'll say error message. We'll say okay, say set error message, set success message. Okay, set success message, error message. So let's create two more states. Set error message and one more success message. It should be capital. Set success message, correct. Now what we have here, error success, error success. Okay, now let's show the success and error messages. Okay, so let's copy this one and in the body. Okay, success message, error message, error message, right? Now let's see how it is sending the data. Python price 81 tags demo URL browse image. Okay, let's go to network submit. Oh wow. Correct, correct products. Where is the IP URL? Let's see this. All right, now if I submit again, what it is showing, no attribute split tag list. Tags, and what is the name? Tags. What we are sending? Tags, correct. And we have name tags, value tags. None type, no, original exception was none type. Header, request, category, title, slug, USD price, tags. Everything is correct, then why this is showing this error? Now this one, product with this slug already, it means product added. All right, product is added, but product added, but why this is not response dot data dot message? Okay, okay. Let's console the response. Now let's change the slug. Let's try now again. Okay, let's see exception. Let's remove this tag list. Where is that? Okay, understand. In the serializer, I think we are using tag list. No, yep, this is tag list. So we have to use tag list. Sorry. We have to use tag list. Tag list. Okay. All right. Now let's try again. What is that? Products categories. Okay. Tag. Oh no. In the INR we'll put 80. It will put 1. Demo URL. Featured image. Product file. Let's submit. None type object has no attribute, but we are sending tag list. In the form we are sending everything serializer tag list. And why this is not saving the data? In the model we have tag list, return tag list. I think let's change this. Let's change this, and let's also add the tags in the serializer. Right, now let's try again. Why? Okay, so let's add product, and we have this one, this. So let's add this and this. 81 string, this one. Let's remove this, copy, paste. Featured image, this is also featured image. Let's submit. 500. Why this is happening? Tags, sorting the values, but product list serializer. Oh, we have wrong placed. it should be tags here. Okay, now it should work. Hope for the best. Submit product. Okay, fine. Submit. All right, what is saying? Nothing saying. So request response, what we have in the console, let's see. So it's a 201. So if data, no, if uh, response dot status equal to 201, let's go here. If response dot status equal to 201, then we'll say response dot, what we have, data status text. What is this? Status text, right? So this one, not here, here, right? Remove this. Else we'll say invalid data. We can simply say status text. Correct. All right. So now we have data. Let's create one more. This is one. This is one. Slug one detail tags demo URL featured image product file. If I go here, then it has product info. Okay, so now let's go to submit. So created, right? And let's go here, products. So this is one, right? Okay, so we have successfully added the data now. So I think this is enough for this video. In the next video, we will do two things. First of all, we will give here one more checkbox that it will publish or not, and then we will implement the multiple image, so user can upload the multiple image for the product, so we can show here, right? So we will show multiple products here. If I go view all products, not sure why this is not working, but I hope some issue so that it is not working. None type. Okay, right? So let's see, let's review this, then we'll solve later. Object has no attribute tags. It is saying object has no attribute tags. So we'll say simply from the model we can say if tags, then we will return this tag list, right? Now refresh this page, refresh again. Tags is not, oh sorry, self dot tags, right? So we have here all the data, you can see. Okay, so if I click here the USD, it will show the USD price. All right, so by default it is all published, but we will give the vendor to control that he want to publish or not, right? And then we will also implement the fetching, editing, viewing, deleting products for the vendor. Okay, so we'll do in the next video and the next video and the next video, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, like this channel, and if you need the source code of the project, then you can simply go to Code Artisan Lab GitHub github.com/code-artisan-lab. And I have a repository here, you can see. So you can just simply follow the process and you will get the source code and updated code also in this price. If you if you buy this source code now, because the price will keep increases when I will implement the functionality, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Please add your comments in the comment section, and you can also download the projects from projectsplaza.com. If you have any business inquiry or anything, then you can send me mail codeartisanlab2607@gmail.com. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.